Educational implication of multiple disabilities. In the past, students with severe or multiple disabilities were routinely excluded from public schools. So, since the implementation of public law 94 to 142, the Education of the Handicapped Act, now called the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act or IDEA. Public schools now serves a large numbers of the students with severe or multiple disabilities. Educational programming is likely to begin as early as infancy at that time. So, and as well as later on, the primary focus is upon increasing the child independence. In order to be effective, educational programs needs to incorporate a variety of components to meet the considerable needs of individuals with severe or multiple disabilities. Program should assess needs in four major areas. For example, is domestic, leisure or recreational, community, and vocational. So this assessment enable the identification of functional objectives which will result in the learner's increased skills and independence in dealing with the routine activities of his or her life. Instruction should include expression, communication, functional skills development, and aids appropriate social skills training. So, related services are a great importance, and the multidisciplinary approach is crucial. Appropriate people such as speech and language therapists, physical and occupational therapists, and medical specialists needs to work closely with classroom teachers and parents. Because of problems with skill generalization, related services are best offered during the natural routine in the school and community rather than removing a students from class for isolated therapy. Frequently, classroom arrangements must take into consideration also for the students' needs for medication, special diets or special equipment, adaptive aids, and equipment enable students to increase the range of functioning. Like for example, in recent years, computers have become effective communication devices. Other aids included wheelchair, typewriters, headstick or headgear, clamps, modified handles or caps, and silverweights and communication boards. Computerized communication, effective and especially the vocational equipment also play important roles in adapting working environment for the people with serious movement limitations. Integration with non-disabled peers in another important component of the educational setting. Attending the same school and participating in the same activities as their non-disabled peers are crucial to the development of the social skills, and also friendship for people with severe disabilities. Integration also benefits non-disabled peers and professionals through positive attitude change. People with severe disabilities are those who traditionally have